Hello guys, welcome to the video and welcome to the channel. If you're new to my channel, I am Sashoki Zhao and I document my life's adventure one video at a time. So you guys can check out the video, and if you kind of vibe into it, consider subscribing also. Well, in this video we're gonna do a little bit different. I'm gonna reveal my gadgets that I use for making videos. So stick around and hang in there and watch till the end, because I also have a spicy surprise reveal at the end of the video. I have a new squad member to the gadget squad. So stick around and watch till the end also. Well, first up, it's obviously my phone. This is where I literally do anything, from recording my videos to replying to your sweet comments. I used to record videos from this phone, Poco M4 Pro. So yeah, the number one is here. Next up is my trusty Bode earbuds. This buddy has been through it all. I use it while editing my videos, or listen to music, or even I use it for gaming. This is the gadget number 2. Then in the third place, we have got the iPad. The iPad. This is like my portable control center. I use it to sketch ideas, edit my thumbnails, and this is where I edit my videos. The iPad 5 Air. It's lightweight, portable, fast, and it makes my work 12% more faster than I actually am. Now, this one's been my real MVP. It's not super fancy, but it does the work. So I respect that, and it's like the underdog of the action cameras. Hiniso action camera. So yeah, those are the devices that I used to use. Let me introduce you to the newest member of the gadget squad. Drum roll please. Ta-da! This is the beast, okay? Stabilization. You can run, you can jump. You can do whatever we want now. It's a waterproof camera. Now we can go underwater also, at least up to 18 meters. So yeah, that's my daily gadget lineup. Honestly, these little tools make creating on the go way more easier. And now I can't wait to push things even more with this DJI camera. Well, smash that like button if you enjoy this video, and subscribe if you are vibing with the content. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Until then, keep exploring and keep creating. Take care, guys. Bye.
Somebody said you high. Rajiv Sitya Maruti Karta Kaji Lo mai liu ahai ngala Zpa so lai zpa lai Talake So